Kneeling before the statue of Our Lady, Father Mascarenhas recommended the first four to her protecting care, saying,
O Blessed Mother, protect these your children, whom you have entrusted to me in all confidence for the extension of your Son's kingdom.
We recall with gratitude the origin of Bethany congregation. God chose and revealed to Father Raymond his new plan with Mother Martha, Sister Claire, Sister Lourdes, and Sister Gertrude.
Today, their simple, dedicated life we sing with gratitude.
Yes, it's the story of first four Bethany's holy women. By their commitment, they stood to realize Founder's vision.
Through their grace-filled life of faith, hope and love, undaunted courage, fortitude and wisdom sent from above.
Sister Martha, a choicest gift to Bethany, with a mother's heart, calm, cheerful and pleasant, to soothe many aching hearts,
served as the superior general of Bethany with compassion, in spite of internal challenges and external distraction, faithfully. Mother Martha practiced the precepts of the Lord, drew wisdom to be a modest leader and good shepherd, lover of domestic work, be it in kitchen or compound, utilized her time fruitfully, attuned to the divine sound.
Father Raymond revealed to Sister Claire his idea of a new congregation, being pleased with her spirituality and genuine aspiration, woman of faith and trust with an impressive personality.
Pleased God in self-surrender and sisterly charity, asceticism, self-denial, zeal and spirit of prayer. Humble novice mistress, His divine love to share, a silent sufferer in sickness and life's vicissitude, leaning on His divine word, the double-edged sword.
Great was the concern of Sister Lourdes for humanity, caring for the sick and guests in her community, Doddamma for the poor and of the destitute, humble and kind in attitude, to live Christ's beatitude.
Followed Jesus closely and desired to be a missionary. Obedient to superiors, lived in transparency and loyalty, persevered with struggle to work in God's vineyard, lived the way of perfection and holiness for eternal reward.
Faithful, committed teacher of catechism was Sister Gertrude. Called young religious to love vows, live life filled with gratitude. Her life example and prayer brought many girls to Bethany to share our charism and spirituality and to bear testimony. She was proud to be the cornerstone in the edifice of Bethany.
Trusted Raymond, who laid the stone in the hearts of Jesus and Mary, encouraged us to raise the edifice, a temple fit for our beloved, by the life of fidelity and holiness, earning a worthy eternal reward.
We hail the first four, the holy women of courage and faith, fought with timely storms, believing that nothing is too late, interceded and led us to celebrate the centenary with edifying lives, inspiring every sister of Bethany. Let's keep burning the light lit by the servant of God, Raymond Francis Camillus Mascarenhas, carried faithfully and handed down to us by the first four. Let's seek the intercession of our beloved founder, who then prayed.
O Blessed Mother, even if you abandon me, do not abandon these children who have come placing their trust in me.
Let Bethany grow, let Bethany flower,
Let Bethany bear much fruit.